talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weed in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame. They'd rather be wild. This is bendy. They wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name. Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If us you all hate me. Bring my products. Suck my all of that talking. I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad. This is trash. This is a grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Not from the couch. Back.
Do anything for club. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Hey lovelies. I feel like I'm whispering. Today is Thursday. It is the 30th of March. Hey, March Misharaka. It is 11:07 a.m. I woke up like an hour ago or so and washed. As you can tell, I washed dishes and whatnot. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Luchi. I know I did not introduce this video when I started it over the weekend. So keep yourself decided today of all days is the day that we will not have electricity the entire day. It's very untimely because today is boiler room day and I need to prep. So one, now this means kuna gongo atapeleka kwa fundi. Nasa I can't because I don't know, one, I don't know if they're open because hakuna light. And then the other thing is I need to figure out what I'm eating. I don't have food in my fridge, which is fortunate or unfortunate. I don't know. So I need to figure out what I'm going to eat because I'll probably only eat one meal today. I need to figure that out. And then, yeah, if I need to go buy something, actually I didn't need to go buy something because I don't have food at all. I go buy whatever I'm going to eat, which is probably at like 12. It's 11 right now, 11 something. And then eat and then start prepping. The earlier I prep the better, to be honest. It's gonna keep me occupied and I'm gonna finish early. Now the problem is not to shoot today, like get ready with me. And I use a soft box to do that, so like a supplement the natural lighting. So now I don't know how that's gonna work out. So yeah, that's where we are. Let me catch you guys up. What did you miss from the previous video? I picked my laptop on Tuesday this week. That's 2 days ago. Is it though? Yes, it is. I picked it on Tuesday. It's working perfectly now. No more battery issues, no more keyboard issues. Hallelujah. Then what is today though? Nothing much, honestly. I've had a very chilled weekend, as you can tell by the videos I did. It's been very chilled, like chilling. I've just been cooking and eating and drinking and watching stuff on TV. I spent the weekend with my friends. I didn't mention that. I didn't mention that. What else? Yeah, that's basically it. I came back to my place on Tuesday after I picked my laptop. And then yesterday I was just in the house. I didn't do much. I slept a lot, which is very weird. Also, I want to change the day that I'm posting my YouTube video, so I want to change my posting day to Wednesday. Saturday is really not working out for me anymore, because I just always find that like posting day is here and I'm not edited, and I don't know if it's because of the day I chose to post or it's just me. But I'm going to be changing my posting day to Wednesday as of this video, which is gonna be up next week. We'll see how that's gonna work. I have been posting consistently for the last 3 months. Wow. So I'm gonna try this again for like 3 months. If it doesn't work out, okay, that's weird. My skin is reacting to something and I'm not sure what it is. It's not itchy, so I'm not sure if it's soap, because I know normally like powder soaps, I usually react to powder soap and my hands get really itchy and sort of inflamed, and they're not itchy. Anyway, I'm an emoji. I don't know, because I've used this soap before and I'm sure it's not this soap. Yeah, that's basically it. I don't know what else has been happening in my life. Nothing really. I've been applying for jobs and nothing yet. Hardly a life, I guess. I want to go back to shooting content. I need to be a bit more serious with my life. So I want to go back shooting as of April, like consistently, that is. So hence why we're shooting today, so that I can post a video today and just get momentum from there, because the problem has been starting again. So yeah, I've been talking for like 5.5 minutes. So I'll just take you guys with me throughout my search. I told you guys today's boiler room day. Boiler room is an event in collaboration with Valentine's Day alcohol. It's like a music sort of event, so what they usually do is try and promote music in different countries in the world. So they're always in Kenya around this time. I have not missed Boiler Room. I got cut off rudely, in fact, by Airtel. Anyway, so I was saying I went to the first Boiler Room in 2020. Yeah, it was Feb. That time it was Feb 2020, end of Feb, before lockdown. And that one was the Gengeton version. It was so much fun, I had so much fun. And then I went to, did I go for 2021 really? I'm not sure if I went for 2021, but I went last year. Last year was last year's edition had Brooklyn Boys, Big Yasa, Dynacords, and other DJs, just Ivy, the DJ Ivy, and other DJs I can't remember off the top of my head. It's also really, really fun. The events are usually really fun. They're free. The only catch is you have to apply to be on the guest list, and you still have to be early because you can miss your spot. Anyway, I've seen like this year's setup and it looks really nice. They've changed the venue this year. Yeah, so that's what's up. So what I need to do, I need to wash my hair. I decided to wash my hair today because I wanted to shoot. I'm still gonna do it, so I need to wash my hair and then I need to do my makeup and then dress up. So I want to do all of these things early because one, hakuna steamer, so I have to use natural lighting, the best natural lighting I can get. So I'm waiting for like the light to start setting a bit so that I get most of it inside the house for me to be able to shoot. As I also figure out what I'm having for, is it lunch or even breakfast? Or, I don't know. Yeah, today's meal, first meal. Yeah, I've been talking for too long, so I want you guys to take a wild guess who the genius was. So genius me decided it was a good idea to take a nap at 12:30. Nikijambia, I'm gonna wake up in 30 minutes. I've seen that alarm so many times. It's actually funny. Anyway, it's 2:40 right now. I've just finished washing my hair and showering. I decided that I'm going to have Indomie. So now I'm going to do my skincare and make Indomie and then do my makeup and dress up. Sorry, yeah. I don't know what's up. My nose is kind of peeling, yeah? Let me talk up. Yeah.
I tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is, I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. After you, it's so late. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so lazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Hey lovelies, today's Sunday. It is 5:30 or some minutes to 6. I'm going to do shopping for the week, the next 2 weeks, I guess. Yeah, I did not have food in this house. My fridge is just very empty. I also don't know why I waited this long to do it, because I could have just done it earlier. Also, Jua, and I took a really heavy nap sometime during the day. So, yeah. Actually, scratch that. Guess is going to blankets right now. I have an hour to do everything. Shower. I just want to do my makeup really quickly. So put my phone on charge, then shower, then do my makeup really quickly.